Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just some dope lean and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm still recovering from a cold. It's rough. It's rough over here. Not gonna lie. Good morning, everybody. Frozen in motion. Good morning. Sarcastics. Good morning. Will Curtis. Good morning. Wayne Bicknell. Good morning. Mike Richardson. Good morning from Charlotte. Happy camper. Thanks for joining. Blacklight Gypsy. Good morning, pandas. D1 War. Good morning. LQ. Good morning. Mo7. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Also, make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat with your location. I'd love to know where you guys are from. We're just on a tear right now on the downside. If you look on the top left of your screen, I'm pretty much break even on my accounts. It really became nonsense trading after stream. It became nonsense here. Just watch. Just boom, 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 nothing. Impossible to catch this move. We got a second to short. Not bad. That's probably one of your better setups. Got a trap trade, break a trend new low. Other than that, wow. I mean, this just gets crazy. This gets crazy. We do have a gap that most likely will fill. Yesterday, there was a gap from the low to the previous day's close. You see this? This purple line, that's previous day's close. There's a gap here, never got filled on the 2000 tick chart. Remember, that records all of overnight trading. You got a second entry short here. Outside bar reversal. Bill 7, always reminding everyone what's good. Good morning, everybody. We are fully funded here, pandas. We're ready to make that life-changing money. One scalp a day keeps the boss away. That's a series. That is a series right now that we're in. Steven Black asks, is he still trading sim? I am not. We are live funded here. Look at the top left of your screen. You can see that we have PA counts all ready to go. Inside bar here. Market's about to open. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope yesterday none of you guys blew your accounts. It was a hard day of trading yesterday, I would say. If you're staring at the markets all day, very difficult. Daily chart. Creating a second entry short on the daily. Right, if we break the previous candle's low, we are creating that second entry short. It's good for a nice move down. 10,000 tick chart, just on a tear back down, trying to fill that gap. 2,000 tick chart. We did have news at 8:30 this morning. The news was core retail sales month over month. And we got a nice little bear bar from that. Our next news item will be unemployment claims on Thursday morning, 9:30 a.m. That's the next news item that's marked as high impact. Look like Gypsy wants to see a poll to see how many PAs people are trading at once. It's an interesting poll. I don't know how I'm going to ask that. Yeah, a lot of people are going to say 0. Secondary short does trigger here. Do I like it? I'm okay. Sitting on my pause here still. Money for nothing as Y2000 tick versus 5 minute. I use the 5 minute as well. You obviously get more setups in the 2000 tick. Tick charts in general are a little more consistent. Yes, is there a way you can check the current day's trading? If you go to the Apex website and look at account summary, you can see how many days you've traded on each account. Just know that it is like a day behind. Whatever information is on there is a day behind. It updates like every day at, I don't know, like 8 p.m. Eastern time around there. I'm just sitting on my pause, a little bit confusing. Frozen with one more day to go. Very excited. Let's go. So you get your PAs? That's what I'm talking about. This is your first PAs? Or you got a couple attempts under your belt? Charles Hill still has his PA count. Was that from the news trade? Very nice. Wait, no says, have had one payout. That was about a year ago. Now trading another PA. Let's go. Get that other payout. Get some more payouts. LQ says, got two payouts here, and after it, I can't even read that sentence because of the stupid heart. I blew 16K. Ah, I see. 16K, that's nothing. Come on. Child's play. I'm just kidding, of course. It always sucks to lose money, but when you copy multiple accounts, 16K actually comes and goes pretty quick. Breakout just says, I don't know how bad it sounds, but 86 evals and on PA number 11 right now. It's not that bad. If you're copying, especially if you're copying. If you're copying accounts, getting multiple accounts, the numbers rack up very quickly. Getting really choppy here. It still seems pretty bearish, but darn, I don't know. Market's about to open 1 minute, 30 seconds. Bray, welcome back. Money for nothing. Is Albrook's first book enough, or do you need all three? But the thing is, you honestly should get the course. The online trading course is way better. You can find a link to it in my description. I get a small kickback from it, just full disclosure. But it really is there for your reference. That second entry short does work out here. You see the dark red number? It means it's a second entry short. That's what the indicator shows. all the two-legged pullbacks. Not only that, it shows you the upcoming leg, what type it is. Is it a first entry or second entry? You can see with the dark green number here, it's a second entry. Market about to open 10 seconds here. Fully expecting Big Mama to trigger here and us filling that gap.
5-minute trap.
Look at the 5-minute chart. Just, oh my, yeah. Just opens in the gap. Market's open, pandas. Let's see what happens here. Scalp a day keeps the boss away. We just need one good setup, pandas. Let's get it. Let's be patient. Wait for that aha moment. Wait for that, oh man, I gotta take this kind of moment. Waiting for nothing says, man, $400 is crazy though. Is it? I think you get a discount. Use the link. And I think it's less than 400. Don't buy the forex stuff. Just get the future stuff. And I believe it's like, I don't know, it's like 150 bucks or something. It's very cheap. I don't think it's 400. Second entry short here. It's a small teeny bitty itty little risk here. Cinema pause here. Okay. Second entry short. Fail trap here now. With a second entry short here. Micro triple top. One, two, three, four overlapping bars in a row. Bye-bye. No joy on the setup. Let's go to a failed trap here. Blacklight Gypsy, I'm long. I'm up $20,000. Just forgot to tell you. Sounds like a Patrick Wyland type thing. License Paint Hover asks, how's your Lego collection coming along? Right now I'm just holding on to them as they appreciate. I stopped buying them for a little bit. Just watching. Undershoot leading to an overshoot here on this channel down. Okay. I don't know. L4 setup, maybe? I usually don't think L4 is naked. Especially if they're above the 20 MA. By the way, for those who are wondering, we were fully funded here. We were trading funded accounts, 4 funded accounts. All right, got it. L4 setup. Good signal bar. Oof. Strong bull bar 5-minute chart. You're thinking this is going to have some follow through, this bull bar on the 5-minute? You're thinking it has some follow through. Al Lubers with the super chat. And I'll let Mrs. Panda know that today's coffee will be funded by Kyle Lubers. Appreciate it. Brush the like and keep it Kermit. 20 PAs, 10 points, 1 contract. See you tomorrow. Let's go, baby. 10 points. How do you make 10 points already? Jeez. L4 does work out for you. On the NQ. Ah. 20 PAs though, that's all that matters. If you had 20 PAs, make 1 scalp. Jeez. On average, you can make a scalp a day with 20 PAs. At the end of the year, you can make $500,000. $500,000 after 1 year of trading, just getting 1 scalp a day with 20 PAs. That's absolutely insane to think about. He said, I stumbled across a sneaker community. Those things definitely have fluctuating values and can be quite profitable if you know what you're doing. Yeah, I never got into that. I think personally, I don't look into nice footwear. So it's gonna be a big learning curve for me. Plus, I'm not like super interested in it. So it's gonna be all the harder. But I'm sure there's I've seen like YouTube clips of people selling shoes for like a couple $1,000s. Crazy. And there's like whole companies out there just to verify if the sneakers are like authentic or not. Are you married, Panda? Ooh, look at this trading range. Should I just sell the top, buy the bottom? Should I just do that for now? Just to get some content. Could be one of those days. Could really be. Kellyanne in the house. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're finally gonna start now since Kelly's here. Money for nothing, Penny. You seem like a developer. What stack do you work in? I worked a long time in Java, but NinjaScript uses C#, so I had to learn a little bit of C# here. J2EE, Java Enterprise. Hey, if you do C#, you can create some indicators for us. Create some indicators, let us know what you create. Ooh, trap trade here. Wow. Interesting trap here. Huh. Very interesting. If this is a trading range, it's not a good place to buy. But the trap is interesting in my opinion here. Kate says, good morning, Panda. Did you say you collect Legos? Yeah, first I've heard that. Hope the trip is going well. Appreciate that. Yeah, I really feel the love, guys. Thanks. I am on a trip right now. I am not at home. I'm in the bamboo forest across the world. But we're still grinding here. Still trading, still doing what we love most. Trading futures with the community that we love most. The two-legged pullback community here. You know, most of you guys don't even trade a two-legged pullback. All right, so good skip on that. Thinking we're in a trading range and that will be buying at the top of a trading range. Was I really gonna short there? Not really, but we got a second just short. About a trigger on the 10,000 tick chart here. The nice thing about the second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart means that you already had a break a trend to new high on the lower time frames. You got this break a trend to new high. Looking for a trade short here, short trade. Your mic sounds like at home. Yeah, because of you guys, I brought my home mic with me. It's so clunky, but you're welcome. I tried a new mic out, and you guys didn't like the sound of it, and I agreed. It was really muffled. So here I am, my huge mic carrying it around. Wait, are you just working on a laptop? Yep. I bought a rig, a mobile rig just for trading. And you're if you're gonna do mobile rig, especially if you're gonna stream, I think if I wasn't streaming, I wouldn't need to buy such a like powerful laptop, but I ended up buying a pretty powerful one because I need to stream and run Ninja Trader, and sometimes I run two streams at once with the pre-market show. But I really enjoy the laptop that I purchased. I think it's really good for trading. It is a workhorse. Am I working on a 13-inch laptop? I think it's like 15-inch, like 15.5, something like that. It's a decent sized monitor. I'm gonna jump in on a lower high here. If we get lower high, I'm in. Come in, boss. Put me in, coach. Let's do it. Get me a lower high, and I am all for it here. It will trigger the second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. All right, 10,000 tick chart. 10,000 tick chart. Okay, second entry just triggered. You see that? One of the seconds can go without me. I want that lower high. Extra confirmation. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Let's get people back on board onto the stream. We are back live, funded, fully funded here at 4 counts. Ready to rock and roll. Ah, markets like this are so painful. They don't do anything. Goodness gracious. So the computer that I purchased is like called the ZenBook Duo. And it has like another monitor. Has like a monitor on the keyboard portion. So actually It's like a multi-monitor setup here. And it's actually functional. These the screen that's on the keyboard side. Very high resolution. All right, pushing down. Got a lower high now. I'm looking for a fail second long. Sure, why not? No, we're clearly in trading range. I think this is the time. Give me a fail second long here. I'll take it. Oof. All right. No setup. No joy on any setup here. Just starts crashing down without us being able to join. Ah, we may get it. Fail second long, perhaps. Oof. All right. The trading range for me to go short here will be a little bit dicey. But dicey is my middle name. Actually, my middle name is Buy. First name is Buy. Last name Money. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. Trading range it is. Sometimes. Just don't. That's why you gotta wait for your setup. You know? Trading range it is. Trading range indicator here. Just perfectly telling us the trading range right now. Interesting. Weird move. Big move up. Money for nothing. Became a panda again. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badge as it forms over time. Enjoy access to the pre-market show every day at 9 a.m. where we go over all my account balances, over all my off-stream trades. This is truly a trading range. I should just gone short at the top, huh? Easy peasy. It's gonna be hard, very hard to time this breakout. Uh, I don't know, pandas. Brooks trading course. $3.99. I forgot how much I purchased this for. Money for nothing says I'm gonna read Brooks' first book to test my discipline and then buy the video course if I succeed. It's all about that discipline, maybe, but I learned that in med school. That's kind of funny because Al Brooks went to med school. If you approach trading like you approach as if you're as studious as you are in med school, as you approach trading, studying for trading, then I'll find it very difficult for you not to be successful. Dante Matthews, welcome. Vane Tyler says it's hard to read his books. It is hard to read his books. That's why the online course is very helpful because there's video examples of everything he talks about. We're still in this trading range, so I'm gonna just sit on my pause here unless I want to trade a trading range, which I will not. Sorry about that. I'm recovering from a cold. Thoughts and prayers would be helpful here. Would be much appreciated. Break a trend to new high. Got a trap trade here. This most likely will be going down. I just don't know how I'm gonna time this. Timing it will be very difficult when it will crash down, but most likely it's bearish still. That could have been the entry right here. All right, scalps out. It's nice. I just need some direction. It's hard for me to pick a direction here because we're still in the trading range. Yeah, let me look for a discount on Brooks's trading course. Let me see if I can find one. Okay. It looks bearish. I don't know if I can time an entry here though. It's gonna be pretty hard. Has Albrooks ever shown a broker statement, verified P&L, or something, won a World Cup trading championship? Has he ever passed an eval before everyone's eyes? A 300K eval before everyone's eyes? At least I have done that, but Al Brooks hasn't. So technically, I'm more verified than Al Brooks. Jeez Louise. He did a 24/7 stream, passing a 300K eval before everyone's eyes. It was incredible. But the thing is, YouTube does not allow streams longer than like 12 hours to be posted. I had no idea. Prepare because he trades live. Yeah, you can join his group. DX Morning Michael. DX is back, boys. Hey DX, we talked about you not too long ago. We missed you. Ian has Tommy Wade ever shown a broker statement? He sure hasn't. So you know who's verified and who's not? This panda. We're going short sometime soon, but is this entry? Whoa, looks like it's a short. Okay. Okay, if you want to, I'll take it. I'll bite here. I'll take the bait. I'll take it. I'll take the bait. I'm embarrassed right now. I'll take the bait. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Ooh, that's a tricky one. It's not quite close enough to the 20 May, and the bottom of these pivots could really cause issue here. A 1-to-1 risk reward though for a 2-point scout. I'll take it. You gonna get me? Are they gonna bite me here? Trading range? Hope not. Oh, it's about the trap, huh? Darn, traps. It's a shame. It's truly a shame. Oh. Come out break even on that reversal. If that reverses, I'll just come out break even. I'll just move on to the next trade. The setup wasn't amazing, right? The setup I wanted was coming off the 20 MA, but it triggers way down here. The pivot or the wick doesn't even touch the 20 MA, doesn't even test it here. But I like the fact that we're going short. This may still work out, but once it reverses on me like that, I just come out break even. I'm up 12 whole dollars, pandas. Can you believe it? Ultimately, good skunk there. So I'm happy with that. Bro, 12 whole dollars. Can you imagine multiplying that by 4? You know how much money that is? I can't even do the math. Not because the number's so big, but just because that's 50 cents is confusing me. It was 12.50 times 2. $25, $50. I'm up $50 across all my accounts today. It's incredible. What to do, what to do. Okay. Okay. Another second just short here. I don't know. I don't know. It feels sus. It feels sus. The whole thing feels sus right now. It looks like we jumped back into another trading range here. Whoa. Okay, it's like I just short triggers above the 20 minute. Can't take that. Trap trade here might be interesting. I don't know, Pandas. Trap trade here may be interesting, actually. Yikes. This one's tough. Yes, I'm tall. All right, we got it. Fails like I just short here. Uh, I'll try. Ooh, oh. Ooh, not good. Oh, bad idea. Try to come with that retracement. That failed trap, thinking that we can keep pushing down here. Oh, they got me. Failed trap. I thought I had a small trading range I can play here with that failed trap coming back down to the bottom of the trading range. Let me make sure I'm out of all my positions here. Yeah, I'm good. Just weird price action here. L4 setup. This is too tough. I mean, look at this price action. I'll go short again here. All right, going short one more time here. One more attempt. Only for a 1-to-1 here. It's quite a big swing trade here. Because the risk is large. Looking for a 1-to-1.
5-minute trap.
Trap on the 5-minute may trigger. Set my pause on this one. I'm gonna hold this one. I'm holding on to this one, Pandas. Diamond Cajones. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. What in the world is happening right now? He's gonna take me out, huh? So he's Shoryuken me right here. Man, this day is tough. Tough day trade, in my opinion. Very difficult. This gonna take me out. It's all good. Jeez. Alright. I mean, whatever. I can't trade this market, Pandas. This is too choppy for me. Very difficult. Very difficult. I mean, the 10,000 tick chart created a trap trade here, and I thought I could write it down, but the trap reverses, and I was pushing up here on the 10,000 tick chart. This is a trading range on the 10,000 tick chart, 5-minute chart trading range as well. Ah, I don't know, Pandas. Pushes back up hard here, and it is what it is. That's why you just take the hit, move on, because if you're holding on to this, that's big pain. That's big pain. Big move up here. Really big, really strong move up here. Interesting. Incredible move up here. It's a surprise. It's a breakout, right? The market's in breakout mode. You don't want to go short in this at all. Once another one bites the dust. I feel the pain. I know your pain. I know how much it sucks. Hey, at least there's 50% resets. If you blow a PA count, then you get 80% off coupon promo that comes with that. So those are some bright things to look towards. Second entry long, interesting. Want to move up? No entries for me. Definitely a surprise bar being created here. Breakout mode. There's no entries though, unfortunately. Super frustrating because you're beneath the 20 MA. All of a sudden, just rips through the 20 MA here. 5-minute bar, almost creating a surprise bar here. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, right? Surprise bar, right? On the 5-minute chart, looking for follow through on the 5-minute. Attempt this. Doesn't feel right though. It really doesn't feel right. I want to come back to the 20 MA here. Yeah, let's wait for 20 MA. Trap does trigger. Second entry long would be a better setup, of course. But the trap works. Darn. I mean, I was really eager to enter right there, and scaps out. I was eager to enter, but jeez, it's such a bad setup, right? It's so ugly. It's so far away from 20 May. It is a higher low setup on this super strong uptrend, and it made me eager to jump in. But I was trying to be a good panda, wait for a better setup. BF BIAFGI. Hello guys, which pair are we trading? This is called the Emini futures, and you need to calm down. Down 225 right now. Sucks to suck. Spike channel. 5-minute chart tests the 20 EMA now. 10,000 tick charts, multiple bull bars in a row. This is very hard to short here. You cannot short this at any moment. Not right now. Absolutely incredible here. Spike in channel. It's a very tight bull channel here. Down 225 currently. Am I gonna find a scalp here? Hopefully. Am I looking for it to go long? Even that is a little tricky for me right now. Look for a fail second entry long here. Alright, this market is now trickling. It's just trickling now. Jeez. Perhaps a second entry long forming here. Ah, we're on uptrend. Second entry long doesn't make sense. It makes sense, but same time we're hitting our heads on the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Typically don't like to trade against that. A, B, C. Second entry long forming here on the uptrend. Alright, second pullback. So the next reversal will be a second entry long. And reversals are defined at this point, breaking a previous candle's high. Second entry long, triggers. It makes sense to go long here, I guess. Second entry long. Oh boy. Can't even see the trap. It's above the 20 MA at this point. What is that? Good skip on the second entry long. Really good skip on it. You know, that's really tricky because you have this huge uptrend, and you finally get a second entry long coming up to 20 EMA, but you got like many overlapping bars. You got the pivot highs, not enough room to the previous pivot highs. It's just tricky altogether. Very frustrating. It's not a good price action in my opinion. ISIS P Hover says, why did that second entry work out? I mean, strong uptrend, spike channel. Main thing for me was a 5-minute chart, 20 EMA blocking us. But you also have a good signal bar, but you got about 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars in a row at that point. You're also not actually at the 20 EMA. And you don't have enough room to the previous pivot highs for a scalp. It's a second entry long, but it's just other things going against you now. This works out. After it takes your second entry long out, and then it balances up. Sick. Sick. This is sick. What a monster move up. I really thought we were going to fill the gap on the 2000 tick chart created yesterday. There's a gap here from the close and to the low of yesterday. There's a gap here between this red line and this blue line. I thought we were going to try to fill it, but apparently not. Apparently the 10,000 tick chart wants to trap on the other side, right? This trap fails, makes a huge reversal and traps on the other side, and actually starts catapulting it upwards. Nasty move up with the fail second entry long here. That sucks, right? Because you have the right premise, but wrong timing. Right? It's like one of those trades that you go long and uptrend, you still lose money. It's annoying. It's very annoying. Fails against your long is what I'm looking for now. Fails against your long. Okay. Now it just needs to give me a fail second entry. Long here. That'll be interesting going short. Possibly for a large swing trade. At least a 1-to-1. Mr. Pushup is struggling. He's on a losing streak. He says, "I don't think I know what I'm doing." It's called the Kruger Dunning effect. Very helpful to help you create expectations for yourself. Okay, we got our second entry long. That's exactly what I'm looking for, so I gotta take it, right? I mean, I drew this blue line a long time ago, saying this is what I'm looking for, and we're gonna get it, looks like. Let's see though. In this trade, super small risk. I'm gonna try to get some good reward here. Man, I called this trap trade and it's gonna take me out, huh? I drew that trap trade out as well. To the T. Give me the currency for at least give me a 2-point scalp here, please. Small risk. I don't mind losing it. Micro double top. That's good news for me. Okay. Just holding this one through. It's just such a small risk. I don't mind losing this. Just gonna hold it through all the way to the end. Even if I lose it, I lose less than I lose 1.5 points here. It's such a small risk. Looks like I will lose it though. Tough, tough trading conditions here, in my opinion. Okay, we might get it. Or not. It looked promising for a little bit, for a split second, looked promising. Just for a split second, looked promising, didn't it? What do I really lose here? 1.5 points? Nothing. Can't win today, pandas. Can't win. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Goodness gracious, pandas. I'm gonna attempt another short here. A little bigger risk. One short one more time here. This will be my last trade. All right, my last trade of the day. I think I'll look for a 1-to-1 at least here. Looks like the market's still bullish here. I'm trying to go counter trend. Ouch. What kind of day? Look at this day. Look how choppy it is. I should not even be trading right now. Look how choppy it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overlapping bars in a row. And it gets me. Pandas, this is not it. Last trade. I mean, I've lost. I've lost like 4 trades in a row. Whew. This is bad. This is bad. I even called that trap trade. I called it perfectly, and it failed. Sick. Disgusting. I mean, it is what it is, though, Pandas. What can you do? It is what it is. Jeez. Whew. All right, we'll fight to live. We'll live to fight another day. We live to fight another day, right, Pandas? We're down 462. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Not the best by far. Jeez. I mean, I called that reversal as well. And then when that reversal reversed, and it reversed again, I felt like, all right, it's a good opportunity. Let's try one more time. But it just wasn't it. We live to fight another day, Pandas. This is terrible price action, though. Very tricky, very confusing. Lots of traps here. Lots of tricky traps. A lot of overlapping bars. Right, we're going underneath the 20 MA here as well. Looked like an exhaustive move. I thought we can get a nice reversal here. But instead, this has a lot more in the tank, left in the tank to go long, looks like. Jeez. All right. Sorry for ever trying to short this massive bull move. Should not have been looking for shorts there. Especially with that much chop. It's not like it's a good entry to go long either, which is even more frustrating for bulls. Very hard time. Oh. Don't know. Tough. I don't think I can make another trade. Not in the stream, at least. 4 losses in a row. Usually when I call it quits. I mean, even with 4 losses in a row, I'm only down 462. It's not the worst. Typically, I'm willing to lose like 600 a day max. So still, actually, I'm okay. Live to fight another day. And that's what we're gonna learn today. But man, that's tricky. I called that trap trade as well. Like I drew it all out. I saw it. I was like, I gotta take it, and it gets me. I said, okay, well maybe it just wanted to get me before really making an attempt. Second entry short, go short there. At that point in time, there were about 8 overlapping bars in a row. Should have set on my pause on that second try and skunked that one. I go short here, get stopped out. Go short again for a second attempt and get stopped out. Jeez. All right. Bears are not making money. Let's just say that. 4 losses. Jeez. Free paper cuts is like bad luck, Brian. Goes long in the uptrend, still gets stopped out. Goes long in the uptrend, bust accounts. I feel you on that. Surprisingly, a lot of you guys trade 10 plus PA accounts at once. It's surprising that a lot of you guys have 10 PAs at all. So most of you guys just trade 1 PA, which makes sense. Kellyanne, trade four at a time, no more. Well, that's what I'm doing here. It's not the worst. It's not the best. We're about 500 down on these accounts. The best of times is also the worst of times. Small paper cuts, yep. Good, good, good. Do not bust your PAs. The name of the game is to keep your PAs alive as long as possible. Right, that's how you turn to a break-even trader. Second entry long. I'm not falling for these tricks. No way, Jose. Second entry long. In an uptrend, no way. That never works. So tempted to go long here. So tempted to go long. So tempted to go long right now. I like to see what happens here. It's a small risk. Strong uptrend. Whoa. Glad I didn't go long there. What in the world is happening? Alright, get trapped out. See, that's what this is why this price action sucks, because you get these long entries, but they do not work on an uptrend. You're in an uptrend and your long entries do not work. It's super frustrating. Alright, pandas. That's enough of this nonsense here. Hey, down 462. Live to fight another day. And tomorrow will be the next day. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 for the mainstream, and 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Hope to see you guys there. And it is what it is. Be safe, everyone. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.